Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to rotate PDF pages online for free. BoldSign's Rotate PDF online tool is fast, completely free, and super easy to use. No sign up, no watermarks, and your data stays secure on your device. Just open your browser and go to the BoldSign Rotate PDF online page. Here's the simple process in 3 steps. Upload your PDF, rotate the pages to your desired orientation, and download the updated file. Let me walk you through it step by step. Start by dragging your PDF file into the upload box, or click Upload to browse and select your file. For this demo, I'll click Upload, choose a PDF, and click Open. The file uploads in seconds. Each page is displayed as a thumbnail, making it easy to navigate. We can notice that pages 2, 3, 7, and 8 are in landscape, and needs to be rotated to portrait like the rest for easy readability. To rotate a single page, simply click the page you want to adjust to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. For example, I'll select page 2, which is sideways, and click to rotate clockwise to fix its orientation. To undo this, click the Reset button to go to its original position. Now, let us rotate our pages 2, 3, 7, and 8 to portrait. To do this, select the pages and click one of the rotate buttons to fix the pages. All the pages are now in portrait form, and you can download your PDF. If you uploaded multiple PDFs, you can download either as a single PDF or as zip file. If you uploaded a single file, like in our example, you can only download as single file. Let us look at other features on this page. You can collapse all pages or even add more PDFs using the PDF button. When you hover over the PDF, there are also options to collapse, rotate left, duplicate, preview, and delete. You can also rearrange the PDF pages according to your need. If you're not in need of a specific page, you can easily delete it by selecting the page and then click Delete. PDFs appear as grid by default but can be changed to list according to your preference. Zoom in on the preview to check the page orientation closely. Now let me download my PDF. The rotated PDF is saved to your device instantly. Let me open the saved PDF. Look at that. A perfectly oriented document with no watermarks or hassle. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.